How to disable Autorun in Windows Registry Editor. Click the Windows Start menu. Type Run and press Enter. Type Regedit.exe into Run and click OK. Double-click H-key Current User. Double-click Software. Double-click Microsoft. Double-click Windows. Double-click Current Version. Double-click Policies. Double-click Explorer. Double-click No Drive Type Autorun. Enter one of the follow values. The values are as follows. Click OK. Disabling Autorun in Windows will help prevent accidental installation of viruses and other malware. Thanks for watching video.